Hi guys, this is another video from Dos Amigos team and my name is Arav and today I'm going to show you how to make a PPT in PowerPoint step by step. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. So first open PowerPoint. Now first select blank presentations. Now when you have selected blank presentations, you will only see a blank page. Now after that you can also add a design to the slide. Go to design and here you will see some designs. Go to all, and if you don't like any of these designs, you can also browse for themes. Themes means design. Now I am just going to take this one. I like this. Now first add a title, like I am going to add a title cars. I have added the title. Now if you want an effect, you can go to insert and word art, select word art and take any of the word art, place it here and write the title which you have written. Like I have written cars, so I am going to write cars here, and now I am going to place it here. This brings a nice effect to the title. Now let's come to subtitle. In subtitle you can write your name, like I am going to write a presentation by so I have written my name. Now like as I have written the title cars, so you can also insert and picture. Just go in an image, you just go in insert. Now this is the 2013 version, so it doesn't has clip art, so you can only take in online pictures. Go to online pictures, Bing image search. Now search in this. I'm going to search cartoon car because I want an cartoon car. Now you will see tons of cars. I'm going to take this one. Now I'm going to, but this is too big for the slide, so you can also minimize the size of the car like this and this. So now you have minimized the size of the car. Now you can also add an animation to your image. Just go in animations. You will see some animations here. Go to all. First you will see entrance, emphasis, exit. Now down here you will see more entrance effects, more emphasis effects, more exit effects. But I am going to take more motion paths. Now click here and you will see a right. I'm going to take the right animation. You can take any animation you want. Okay. Now here you can change the distance you want the car to travel. I want this one, so I'm going to take this. Now you have added an animation to your image. Now, but you can also add an animation to your slide. Just go in transition. Transition just means animation for your slide. Now in transition you will see some of the transitions here. Subtle, exciting and dynamic content. Now I will choose the exciting transition fall over. Now this will look like this. It will look like this, and in transition you will also see sounds. Now in sounds I am going to take a drum roll sound. It will add a drum roll sound to your slide. But if you don't have a speaker in your laptop or computer, you can't hear a sound. You can also add a video to your PPT, but I am not going to do that. So we are done with this slide. So for another slide, you can simply just go in home or slideshow and take another slide. But I'm going to tell you a shortcut. You can just do CTRL plus M and there will be a slide like this. That's a shortcut. Now, like the topic is cars, so I am going to write the title to the second slide, SUV. Now this is the things which are in cars. Now in SUV, if you think this is too small, you can also make it big by just doing this. And here you will see font size. Click here and I'll set it to 80. Now this will be this big, it will be this big, and you can also add an animation to your text. I'm going to add the animation wheel to my text. It will look like this. Now you can you can write information about SUV by yourself, or you can just search in Google SUV info, copy that all info and paste it here. I'm going to write I have written an SUV is a big car. So now you have written an information about the title SUV. Now you can also paste an image of it in insert like I did before. Online pictures, Bing image search. I'm going to write SUV. You can also search cartoon SUV if you want cartoonist. Now I'm just going to take any of the pictures. Now it's the same case, it's too big. So I'm going to do this. And now I'm going to add an animation to my image. Like I'll show you an emphasis animation teeter. This will look like this. And now I'm going to add a transition to my slide. I'm going to add the transition curtains. It will be like this. Now I'm going to select the sound explosion. Now I'm just making a demo of a PPT. So now I'm just going to make a PPT of 3 slides. In the third slide, I'm going to write the end. Because this is the last slide. If your slide has this, it will be nice. If your PPT has this, it will look nice. I have the font size 96. Now this is the end. So in this slide, I'm going to put a transition origami. The origami transition will look like this, and the sound effect applause. So now you have made your PPT. You can go in slideshow, record slideshow, and start recording from beginning. In this, when you click on start recording, it will take the timings you have set it for one slide, and you can also put your voice in it. And when you put your voice and the slide is over, I'll show you after that. Start recording. Hi, so today I have a presentation about cars. Now I'm going to show you the animation. That was the animation I put it for the car. This is the curtain transition. That was the animation for the text, and that was the animation for the car image. That was the origami transition. This is the end, the last slide. Now I have recorded the slideshow. Now if you will press from beginning, the slideshow will play automatically by itself. I'll show you. Hi, so today I have a presentation about cars. Now I'm going to show you the animation. That was the animation I put it for. I'm not saying anything. That was the animation for the text, and that was the animation for the car. This is the slideshow. That was the origami transition. This is the end. Now that was how it works, the record. So you can also save your PPT, but I'm not going to save it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like our video. Ting tong!